Hi everyone, again this is Kirti from Shine Kids Care Academy. In this video, we are going to learn 4th group 3rd place digraph, that is O. As I told you, two different letters comes together and gives a single sound, that is called digraph. So here O and A are the different letters comes together and gives the sound, that is O. And now we are going to learn one more digraph with the same sound, that is OW. As I told you, here OA as well as OW both gives the same sound, that is O. Now we are going to learn an action for O. Shall we? We have to bring our hand over our mouth as if anything has gone wrong and says O. This was the action for OA. Shall we? O. Once again, O. This is the action for OA. Now we are going to learn few words which has a sound of O. Shall we? Goat, goat, load, load, road, road, soak, soak. Yes, I hope you people have learned few words. And now we are going to learn a rhyme for O. Shall we? Oh, did you see my belly goat? Oh, 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 oh. Did you see my belly goat under the old oak tree? Once again. Oh, did you see my belly goat? Oh, 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 oh. Did you see my belly goat under the old oak tree? Yes, this was the rhyme for O. And now we are going to learn one more story by reading an e-book. Shall we? Yes, it is a storybook. The Brave Toast. One day, Toast looked out of the window and saw a rainbow. He sat on a yellow pillow, but he felt sad. Toast did not want to have a slow life. He did not want to loaf. Toast wanted to row a boat from coast to coast. The next day, Toast saw a green toad with a bow and arrow. In winter, Toast saw a goat in a cloak playing with snow. Toast glowed and put on his coat. I want to have fun too. So he hit the window with his elbow. It broke. Toast looked at the snowy sky and felt the wind blow. He felt afraid. What if I cannot row a boat? He said. But then he saw the toad and the sparrow. He felt like a big oak. Toast stepped onto the road under the rainbow. He had a goal. The end. Yes, I hope we have learned few words by reading an e-book. And now we are going to learn one more tongue twister, that is 7 sleepy snakes. So this we are going to try 5 times continuously without mistake. Shall we? 7 sleepy snakes, 7 sleepy snakes, 7 sleepy snakes, 7 sleepy snakes, 7 sleepy snakes. As I told you, you just try to engage your word at their fun time, so that they also will enjoy this tongue twister. Now we are going to learn one more brain game which will improve our kids' thinking level. The game is word chain. First word we have to start. For example, if I am saying cat, so the opposite party have to analyze what is the ending letter of my word. As I told you, cat means the ending letter of cat will be T. So the opposite person can say tiger or temple. Okay. And if they have told tiger, the ending letter of tiger is R. So myself, I will highlight a word with rabbit. If I told it is a rabbit, the opposite person can say turtle. As they have told turtle, the last letter will be E. So myself, I can name elephant. So like that, we people can continue the game by finding their last letter. So this is called word chain. By continuing this game, no, our kids obviously will get improvement in their thinking level. Yes, I hope you people have enjoyed this video. If any changes to be done, let me know. Thanks for your support.